How are you doing? My name's Dalton. We're out here at round 5 of the MX Nationals. The track's looking quite good, and yeah, hopefully it's a good one and we'll see what happens.
Morning, Dirko.
What's up, man?
Race morning today, eh?
Yep.
MX Nationals round 5.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Feeling good. A little cold right now, but all in all, we're good. Yeah.
Good first moto, got 4th, had a bit of a bad start which set me back, but I managed to push through and managed to make my way to 4th, and then I just stayed there for the last couple of laps and then finished there. But the track's really cool, it's rough, it's going to be a fun second heat.
Ride my laps and hopefully get a top 5, that's the goal.
All I need to do now is keep calm, relax, warm up for the second heat and do a good start and then hopefully top 10.
I just want a good start.
So, Aiden,
Yeah?
P3 for the day.
Yeah, I mean, good day. First moto was solid, got off to a really good start and just rode my race from there. Able to finish P3 in that one. And then second moto, also a pretty good, decent start. Just rode my laps too, but a bit off pace of the top runners. But I was managed to get a 6 on that one for a 3rd overall. So good day.
Well done, man. Well done.
Thank you.
Congrats.